To the people of Zimbabwe, a patriotic call to action. The Million Citizen March for Zimbabwe's Future. 17 October 2025, 8 a.m. Venue Robert Mugabe Square. Theme: Enough is enough. Arrest Uganda and state capture. Sabina mashoko okuda pangwa inoi. My documents released on Bomshogeza. Ekuti aiwa. Richafamso Sims 17 was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda. Bomshogeza Mdanjira fellow Zimbabweans. Our nation stands at a crossroads. For too long, we have watched as the wealth of the beloved country built by the sweat and sacrifice of our people has been systematically looted by a criminal cartel known as Kananda. They have stolen over 7 billion from our state coffers. This is not just a number. This is our hospitals without medicine, our schools without books, our roads in ruins, and our pensions rendered worthless. This is the reason our children are living and our parents are suffering in abject poverty, while a connected few live in obscene luxury. To add insult to injury, this grand corruption operates with impunity and protection from the highest office. In the face of this national crisis, our leadership appears either incapacitated or unwilling to act. The silence from the top is betrayal of the oath to protect and save Zimbabwe. The time for silence, anger is over. The time for peaceful collective action is now. We will not be intimidated. We will not be silenced. We are the soul of the nation. And on 17th of October, we will rise as one. This is not a protest. It is a solemn assembly of patriots. We call upon every Zimbabwean from Harare, Bulawayo, from Mutare to Victoria Falls, from diaspora in spirit, to join the Million Citizen March in Harare. Our demands are clear and just. Immediate arrest and prosecution. We demand the immediate, unconditional arrest of prosecution of Zigananda and all their accomplices for grand corruption and state capture. Accountability and transparency. We insisted that every public office bearer be held accountable. We demand a full independent audit of all public funds and natural resource contracts. 3. Restore the rule of law. We advocate for the absolute upholding of constitutional. The law must be applied equally to all citizens without fear or favor. Number 4. Protect our sovereign forces. We call on armed forces and police to remember their constitutional duty to protect the people, not the corrupt. Stand with our fellow citizens as we exercise our democratic right to peaceful assembly. Join us at Mugabe Square. Let your presence be your voice. Bring your Zimbabwean flag, bring your water, bring your courage and your conviction. Come peacefully, with dignity and purpose. This is our moment to reclaim our destiny. Let us stand shoulder to shoulder, not as political parties or tribes, but as Zimbabweans demanding a better future for ourselves and our children. Together we can take back our country. Together we can end the looting. Together we can build a Zimbabwe free from corruption and state capture. See you on the 17th. Let the world hear our voice. Yours completely, Comrade Bombshell, Nesogeza, hashtag arrest Canada, hashtag end state capture, hashtag Zimbabwe rising, hashtag our country, our future. Do mashoko mre Zimbabwe. Motize mafunguro enyu mori kudipa msoro pe chitkochi. Na comment section medu mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.